Hi viewers, I hope you people are fine. In previous video, I told you people that is all about parts of speech and the kinds of parts of speech. And in first kind, I told you people that is noun, and the second kind I told you people that is pronoun. So let's come to the word our topic. What is noun and pronoun? Here in this topic, that's the kind of parts of speech. These are the kinds of parts of speech. So the first is noun. What is noun? The name of person, place or things is called noun. The name of person or things is called noun. Just the name of things or person. So the example is there. Ali is the name of person. Ali is the name of person. And Karachi is the name of place. And table is the name of thing. This is the thing. So Ali, Karachi, table, these are nouns. So in second kind, I will tell you about the pronoun. What is pronoun? The pronoun. In place of noun, we use pronoun. In the place of noun. For example, here Ali will say now in the place of noun. So we will use pronoun. How? For example, he is playing hockey. Now he will say, not Ali. Ali, when we will say Ali is playing cricket, so that is noun. That Ali is noun. So now we will say he. Now he is playing cricket. Now that is pronoun. He is our pronoun and the name is, now Ali is a name, it is noun. I will write here noun and its pronoun. Now it's pronoun. So the example of pronoun is there. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. We have 7 pronouns and these are our 7 pronouns. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. So that was our lecture, and if you people have any question, just tell me in comment box, and kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.